It's him and
What's going on, YouTube? This is
Aquemini.
Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, back again with another video. I'm going to show you how to set up your downstream. On your pressure washer, you have this little hose right here, which is connected to this little piece right here, which is your downstream injector. So you should have one of these if you have a good pressure washer. If you have a pressure washer where you pour the chemical into a little tube, or either I guess a little bucket or something that's attached to the pressure washer, that's not downstream. You running that chemical or soap through your motor, and that's gonna corrode the inside, and that pressure washer is gonna basically tear up after you use it a couple of times. With a downstream injector, what happens is the pump is on this side of the hose, and everything comes in from the water hose and the pump. It pumps water through here, and when it gets here, it's gonna suck soap and chemical through this little tube and out through the hose to your wand. Now, only thing you have to do right here, let's hook it up. You take your mix. So this is a 3% mix, so when I downstream it, it's gonna be probably like 1%. It's gonna cut it in half. Maybe a little bit less than that. It should be around 20% of what this is in here. So keep that in mind. It's gonna make it weaker, so if you need a stronger mix, you may have to add more bleach or more SH to your mix. But the way the downstreamer works is you just take your hose and you put it in your mix. Now it's gonna suck all your chemical through the hose. Like I said, through this small hose, it's gonna add it to the water that's going down your hose. Now, this is important. On the end of your wand, you're gonna need either one or two things. You're gonna need a soap tip, which is a black tip right here that shoots soap, or you're gonna need a J-rod that has 0 tips on it. This J-rod has 0 tips. Most likely it's gonna be the one with the wider hose. So this is a straight stream. This is a wide stream right here. Look at it. Wide stream at the top, right here at the bottom, wide stream at the bottom. This is going to be a straight, and this is going to shoot wide. So the two in the middle is basically, I use those to do my rinse, because it's going to be hard for soap to pass through that because the hole is smaller. You need a bigger hole to let the soap and chemical go through, so that's what you use when you downstream. Okay, so what I'm gonna use, like I said, what I have put up now, I have the long string that shoots a 0 opening that's going to shoot all the way up to the top up here. So it's going to shoot way up there, and I'm gonna let it dwell for probably like 5-6 minutes, and then after I get through, I'm gonna come back and use a rinse with the same tip. So that's what's good about a J-rod. It has tips where you can apply soap, and also it has tips where you can do your rinse. Okay, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, I hope you learned something from it. If you didn't learn anything from this video, that means you skipped over the most important parts of the video, and you need to go back and watch it. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing. Check the video out in the corner. You'll enjoy that one, and I will see you in the next video.
It's him and I, Aquemini.